Welcome, everyone, to this joyous occasion where Maddie Groff and Taylor Northrup come together today to unite their lives in marriage.
You're so beautiful. Am I allowed to hug?
Who gets to say it's too soon to be falling for you? 'Cause I've heard of things like this before, but didn't know the dream still came true. Who gets to say we're not right, that it won't work, you and I? 'Cause as long as it's worth fighting for, in our eyes, we should be fine. So what if we only just met? True love don't wait for any man. And no one
Madigan, Mads, my love. Standing here, looking at you, I have to always ask myself, how did I get so lucky? How did I get someone as perfect and beautiful as you? And then I think, I get to be with you the rest of my life. I really must be the luckiest man in the world. You are my person. You are the one I want to cuddle with on the couch every night as we fall asleep watching TV. You are the one I want to travel with all across the world. You are the one I want to sing with in the car. You are the one I want to love and hold on to forever. You are the one I want to start our entire family and life with. You are my one. I promise to be your best friend, your person when times get tough. I promise to always be there for you, to protect you from the worst of life. I promise to hold you and be there for you no matter the circumstance. I promise to make you proud and to be the best husband I can be so you can brag about me. I promise to love you for you, to be your person and your one, and to always love you more.
My dearest Taylor, from the moment I met you 5 years ago, I knew that we would find each other in this exact spot one day. One of the things I love most about you is that you are unconditional. You are unconditional in your selflessness, in your dependability, in your boundless generosity, and in your unwavering patience. Most of all, you are unconditional in your love. In your love for me and in your love for our families. You are my consistency, yet you bring me spontaneity. You are my stability, yet you bring me adventure. You are my safety, yet you push me. And no matter where we are, you are my home. As we stand here today, I promise to love you as unconditionally as you love me. I promise to be your best friend for life. I promise to grow old with you. I promise to always find the joy in the little things with you. And I promise to always find you food when you are hungry. Taylor, I thank God every day for bringing you to me and for the love that you show me today and every day. I vow to love you with all that I am, and if death do us part, I vow to find you and love you in every lifetime. I am certain that with you is where I belong, and I cannot wait to begin this adventure with you as your wife. Forever and always, I love you more.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
what?